and Leighton City. This train is formed of 4 coaches. Platform 4 for the 1935 Airlink service to Airport Terminal 3 via Stepford Airport Central. Calling at Stepford Airport Central, Airport Terminal 2 and Airport Terminal 3. This train is formed of 12. The 1952 Stepford Connect service to Leighton City has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable. Your attention, please. The 1942 Stepford Connect service to Leighton City has been cancelled. This is due to